Alrighty, hello everyone, my name is Kit, and today I want to be comparing three different styluses. So first is the RENAISSER pencil here. Next is the Microsoft Certified Active Stylus, which looks like this. And then third is the Eulogic Stylus, which is this one. So first let's talk about the accessories that you get when you buy each one. With the RENAISSER pencil, you get the stylus itself. Then inside, you get some batteries as well as a charging cable, and then 3 nibs. Alright, so this is the RENAISSER. Next is the Microsoft Certified Stylus. So if we open this one, you get the stylus itself, you get a battery, and then you get 1 nib and 1 nib remover tool. I found that this nib remover tool actually doesn't really work that well. For me, I had to use pliers to remove the tip before I could insert the other one. And also one thing to note is that you get this white tip here, and you also get this black tip here. The black tip is not that great. I find that it's way too smooth. It doesn't have much friction. The white nib is way better. So you only really get one good tip. And then finally, we have the Ewologic Stylus. And this was the one that I used for my Asus ROG Flow X13 stylus video. You get the stylus itself, you get a battery, and you get 2 different nibs. So this one looks like that, and this one looks like this. You also get a nib with a white tip, and I found this is the one that feels the best. One thing to note though that I don't really like at all, and something that we'll be showing in this show off, is that the nib here is pretty loose inside. Right? You could kind of hear it moving. And I think that this little movement here causes it to be quite flaky when you use it. It's something that I don't really like at all. So if you want the TLDR, my favorite is the RENAISSER. And the reason is because this one is weighted pretty like evenly throughout. This one is not that great because it's top heavy. The battery is inside of the top here, right? So it's at the top here, which means that it is a bit top heavy. So when you hold the pencil, 1 second, let me just put this back in. When you hold the pencil, it has a tendency to want to go down like this. So if you're someone who usually holds their pencil like this, then it's kind of annoying to have it keep on sliding downwards, you see. But if you're someone who, I guess, writes like this, like who has it very stabilized, then I guess it's not really a problem for you. But for me, it's just not something I preferred. The Uogic is would be good, but it's very flaky because the tip is kind of loose and it causes it to not really write that well sometimes. Like it misses some keystrokes sometimes. Alright, so for the next part of this test, I'll just rewrite the same sentence for each of these pens. Actually, let's try the ruler test first. So ruler test, I'll just put this down and then do the ruler. So this is, 1 second. I think I need to tap the top of it in order for it to work, or press these buttons. Then you'll see that there is a light here, and now it writes. Okay. So if I do this and then do a little line here, writes really well. I like it. So this is the RENAISSER. Okay, next up is the Eulogic Pro, or Eulogic Stylus. And apologies for the ruler, it's slippery. Yeah, this writes pretty well if you're using just a straight line and you're not really moving the pen that much. So this is the Uogic. Is it like this? Ewologic. Yeah, so you notice here when I just wrote this, it kind of messed up. Okay, next is the Microsoft Stylus. Yeah, no real issues I see. It, writes line just fine. Yeah, so Microsoft, what is this called? Microsoft Certified Active Stylus. Okay, Microsoft Certified. Okay. Cool. So next I will just do a basic sentence writing test. Let me just focus on this. So, all right, autofocus lock. And then first let's do the RENA. So this is a test of the RENA stylus on the Asus ROG Flow X13. Okay, so yeah, that works great. Next up is the Microsoft one. This is a test of the Microsoft Certified Active Stylus on the Asus ROG Flow X13. Okay, so this is, so far I don't really like this at all. Since it's top heavy, it's taking more pressure on my hands to keep it up, because it keeps wanting to move down, and I don't really like this pencil at all. I would say second place, the Ewologic is definitely worse. So let's just go ahead and write with the Ewologic. This is a test of the Eulogic Stylus on the Asus ROG Flow X13. Actually, the feel of this stylus isn't that bad. It's just like sometimes you see there's these issues here where it just messes up because the stylus keeps on, like, I don't know. I don't really know why this is happening. Sometimes it just